Hi everyone! Today I am taking on a challenge that sounds almost too crazy to believe. I am going to organize my pantry on $0 budget. Can you believe it? Stay with me because I am about to reveal the secret how to save hundreds on expensive organizers.
We all know how maddening it is to spend money on those overpriced organizers that barely works.
Feels like you're throwing dollar away when it could be invested in something truly valuable.
Yes, these carton boxes are tested to hold 30 plus kgs over 2 years.
So, they are tougher than you can imagine. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the screen so you don't miss out more incredible organization hacks.
First thing first, choosing the right carton box is crucial. Look for the one that is thick and free from damage. This is the foundation of our hack.
I have personally used this box for the last 2 years for heavy loads. Trust me, they won't disappoint.
Now, let's bring these boxes to life. Watch as I stack and arrange them to create a designated zone. One for pantry supplies and another for small appliances on top of shelf. Even I found a special spot for my apron. Before we celebrate, let's see these boxes in action. I have loaded them with heavy items and still they stand strong. Over the past 2 years, I have only replaced 1 or 2 boxes when absolutely necessary. Proof that this hack isn't just affordable, it is built to last. And there you have it. Our $0 budget pantry organization is complete. Customized, durable, and so much better than any store-bought alternatives. Who knew a simple cotton box could do all this? I will tell you a simple trick in this. Arrange lighter weight in the top layer, medium weight in the middle layer, and heavy in the bottom. You can even paste some adhesive paper for aesthetic look. I would love to hear what you think. Drop your feedback in the comments below. And if you enjoy this hack, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing DIY organization challenge. What should I tackle next?